Hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I'm Amina and today I'm going to show you that how to make creative thumbnails in your YouTube videos. So let's start. Basically this is canva.com and see this hover effect is just amazing. You just need to sign up here and there are 15 billion designs. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, there are many kind of logos and portraits, like this one is one of my favorite. Let's say you don't want any kind of template in your thumbnail, so you just need to click here, create a design, and after that you need to click here YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so it will open in the new tab. This page is fully blank. Okay, so let's say you need to go into the background and let's say you want this black color in your background, and you need to go into the text and let's say I want this style of text. So let me say here my topic would be Canva designs. Okay, and I'll do just like this, and let me keep this here and I can do here. See, this will be in just one line. Okay, if you want to change this font, so you can go here into this moon time is the font. So let's say I want this font, so here it will be changed. Okay, but let's say I want this, so it will be much better. I want this one. So there are many kind of fonts and these are the pro fonts. You need to buy them. So let's say I want this, or I want this moon time only. Okay, so this was about the font and the background color and the text. Now let's say you need to put any kind of shape or graphics or any kind of small image in your thumbnail. So let's say I can put the Canva logo. Let me go here. See, this is the Canva logo. It has much graphics. See, we can just put it here, but I don't think this will work in our YouTube thumbnails, so we can just keep this image. See, this will work better. Now let's say you don't want this kind of background here, so I'll just delete this and I'll put this. Okay, so let me just keep it here. Okay, so this will be the logo. Let me put it again and I'll just make it a bit smaller. See, okay, now let's say you have a YouTube channel and you need to name your YouTube channel. So I'll click on this add a subheading and I'll write here my channel's name, which is Code Arena Official. Okay, so I'll keep this into this left corner, bottom left corner, and let's say I want to change this text color. So I'll go to colors and I'll change my color. Let's say I want this to be red. Okay, so this will be in a good contrast. So I want to make this a little bit glowing like this text. So I'll just go to effects and I'll click here on neon. So this will be glowing, but I want this background image. So this will be in a background text. Now let's say I want this glitch, so this will look more better, or I want this text shadow, so this is looking more better than before. So I will keep this Code Arena Official. Now let's say I want to change this color, so I'll click on this text color and let's say I want to keep this color. Okay, let's keep this color. Okay, so I'll just do it. So if you want to increase your text size, then you can just increase from here and you can just move this a little bit. Okay, we are perfectly done with our thumbnail. So just try to make your thumbnails much simple, because the public does not see your creativity much than your simplicity in your thumbnail, because they want to read. And if we are not putting a proper font or anything, then public cannot read. Okay, so let's say I want to keep a simple and sober font. Let's say this one, right? So I'll just keep it like this, or I have one more font. So let's say I want to keep this Daydream font. It's one of my favorites. See, now it's readable also and it's looking designer also, right? So this is the proper structure of a thumbnail. you want to take. Okay, now this was the handmade thumbnail. Now what if you want an ready-made thumbnail? You just need to change the text. So I'll just click here, add page, and let me just change the background to white, and after that I'll click here on design. Okay, so let's say I want let me just search the design. I want the coding design. Okay, so here are just 4 coding designs. So I think they are much boring, so I can search here gaming. By the way, we are searching for coding, but this is kind of a creative method for making thumbnails. Okay, and let me do this one. Okay, so this is looking much better. So I'll just delete this gaming, delete frame, so this will be deleted, but I'll just move this here and let me write here Canva designs. We are perfectly done. Now let me keep this into center. Okay, by this function. Okay, alignment. Now in this best game, I'll just first increase this size of Canva designs, and I think I should put this Canva designs in this because it is the biggest text here and this is our main content which we are wanting. So I will just keep this here and I'll do it. Okay, we are perfectly done. Now I'll just write here make free thumbnails in Canva designs. So I'll write here in Canva designs. Okay, so this will look more creative. Let me put these arrows here, or you can delete it, it's up to you. So this will be more attractive. So let's say I want to change this font. So I want this Daydream font. It's one of my favorite font actually. Let me increase the size. Okay, so I'll just increase the font size here, so it will be in a contrast. So let me put my channel's name by going to text and I'll write here Code Arena Official. Okay, so let me put this text in the bottom left corner and I'll just change the text color here, not so much light or not so much dark, because I want a proper color that can be suitable for our visibility. So this is the text effect of background. Now I don't want this yellow background, so I can put it like red or white background, so this will work. Okay, so this was about the thumbnails, and try to make your thumbnails simple because people want to read your thumbnails properly. I want this thumbnail is looking also good. So these both are just thumbnails, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.